Back to the channel. I'm so excited to share today's video with you. Today I've got some mind-blowing life hacks that will make everyday problems a breeze. These are simple yet incredibly effective tricks that you can start using right away. Let's dive right in. First up, ever struggle with keeping cables organized? It's a common issue, especially with all the gadgets we use daily. Grab an old bread clip and label your cords. This way you can easily identify which cable belongs to which device. No more guessing which cable goes where. It's a small change that makes a big difference in keeping your workspace tidy. Trust me, this little trick saves so much time and frustration. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Alright, for those of you who love cooking but hate the mess, here's a simple hack. Cooking should be enjoyable, not stressful. Place a wooden spoon across a boiling pot to prevent it from overflowing. This trick is especially useful when you're multitasking in the kitchen. It may sound too good to be true, but it works like magic. No more messy stovetops to clean up. Now let's talk about those annoying scratches on your wooden furniture. They can really ruin the look of a beautiful piece. Did you know you can fix them with just a walnut? It's a natural and effective solution. Rub the nut over the scratch and watch it disappear. The oils in the walnut help to blend the scratch with the rest of the wood. The natural oils in the walnut help to conceal the blemishes. Pretty cool, right? It's an easy fix that can save you from costly repairs. For the bookworms out there, this next hack is for you. If you don't have a bookmark handy, use a paper clip. It's a simple and effective way to keep your place. Simply attach it to the page you're on. No more dog-eared pages or losing your spot. It's a quick and easy solution, and you won't lose your place. Plus, it's a great way to repurpose something you probably already have at home. Next, let's tackle bad odors in your fridge. A smelly fridge can be quite off-putting. Place a bowl of coffee grounds inside. Coffee grounds are excellent at absorbing odors. Let it sit overnight. By morning, your fridge will smell much fresher. The grounds will absorb all the unwanted smells, leaving your fridge fresh and clean. Speaking of freshness, let's move on to herbs. If you want to keep your herbs fresh for longer, there's a simple trick you can use. Store them in a jar of water and cover with a plastic bag. This creates a mini greenhouse effect. Pop them in the fridge and they'll stay crisp for weeks. It's a great way to reduce waste and always have fresh herbs on hand. Now for a genius travel hack. Traveling can be stressful, but staying organized can make it much easier. Use a pill container to store your jewelry. This way you can keep everything in one place. Each compartment can hold a different piece, keeping everything organized and tangle-free. No more digging through a mess of necklaces and earrings. It's a simple solution that can save you a lot of time and hassle. No more tangled jewelry means you can accessorize quickly and easily. Lastly, for those of you who love a good DIY project, this hack is for you. Did you know you can make your own phone stand using just a binder clip? It's a clever and cost-effective solution. Attach the clip to the edge of your desk and use the arms to hold your phone. It's perfect for hands-free viewing. There you have it. These hacks are simple, yet incredibly effective. Mind-blowing life hacks to simplify your everyday life. Give these a try, and you'll see just how much easier they can make things. Give these a try, and let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. I love hearing your feedback and any additional tips you might have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tips and tricks. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more life